So I just made an interesting observation about bird culture or sea chicken culture. Back there in the background, you've got two of them that are like trying to determine what should be done about me, you know, basically. And then you got a big bird here. It's like the bouncer, he's the enforcer, right? And then you have various birds that are like running point guard or forward, you know. But some are a little more vocal and aggressive than others. There's definitely a hierarchy. Like back there in the back, they're probably like thinking like, what should be done about this one that's distributing food to the commoners? You know, and like they're worried about losing their power over the sea chicken pride. This one's making a lot of noise now. It's a little bit of a tussle there. Come on, make some noise. Come on. And so I challenged them a little bit, and then they flew way out there to some perch across the water. That's where their fortification is, their strongholds, I think. And then there's this bird. So I'm like throwing pebbles now, like kind of like to see how they react since it's not actually food. And this one is kind of like the Leonidas of the group. They're like giving everybody orders and like telling them like, don't fall for this bullshit. These are just pebbles. See?